So what you're gonna do is you're gonna put your hand about this far from it and you're just going to hit the plate out of the way. You ready, Princess T?
Yep.
All right, here we go.
Okay.
Pretty much.
3, 2, 1.
Princess Toy Review.
Hi Prince and Princesses, it's Princess T.
Hi, Princess Pham.
Today we are doing a science experiment called...
It's called the egg science experiment.
We're actually doing a few experiments with eggs. So for these experiments, you will need plates, a little tray so it doesn't spill everywhere. Of course, eggs.
You also need something to mix with, a tall cup, some water, salt, and a tissue paper roll.
So which one do you want to do first?
I'm thinking something fun.
Okay.
And challenging.
So what do we need to do?
I think we should do the egg drop one first.
Okay.
So for this one, you're gonna need a tall glass like this. Oh, we're gonna need this tray right here because it could get messy. So we're gonna put that in the middle. Then we're going to fill up our cup with some water. It doesn't really matter the temperature of it. I'm gonna fill it up about 3/4 full like that.
Then we're gonna take our plate and try to find like a smaller plate. Here we go. We're gonna put our paper roll right here. And last but not least, we are going to take an egg and put it right here. Okay, now I'm getting nervous.
Yes, so this is our whole contraption. And you're going to hit the plate so that hopefully the egg will drop directly into the water.
So it's kind of like a challenge.
It is, but it does this because of something science related, which we will go over in just a bit. But first, we must show them.
You go first.
Me? Yes! Okay, let me just make sure everything is in place. Everything looks good. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna put your hand about this far from it and you're just going to hit the plate out of the way. You ready, Princess T?
Yep.
All right, here we go. Did you guys see that? I did it! I didn't break the egg and it's just hanging out in the water.
I want to try.
Try it.
Okay, we're gonna set this up like so. And I just hit it.
Yep.
Okay.
Pretty much.
3, 2, 1.
You did it too. Great job.
Princess Pham, that was so cool, but how does this happen?
It happens because of something called inertia.
Inertia? That's a funny word. What does that even mean?
Well, inertia says an object will stay at rest unless an outside force acts upon it, like your hand. So, whenever we hit it with our hand, gravity takes pull and pulls the egg straight into the glass of water.
I had no idea science would be so much fun.
Yeah, it's super fun. But I said we'd make it more fun by going on to the next experiment. Now, let's learn about density.
Okay.
So first, I have a question for you. So, the egg is in the water and it is down on the bottom. So, would you say that the egg is more or less dense than the water?
It is more dense than the water. That's why it's all the way down at the bottom.
That is correct. Now, we're gonna make it float up to the top. So we're gonna make the density of it less than the water.
How?
We're gonna do that by adding salt. So we're just gonna start by adding 1 spoonful of salt. And we're going to mix. And let's see if that's enough to cause it to float.
I don't think that's enough.
I don't think so.
We're gonna need more salt. So, the more the better.
Whoa! That is a lot of salt. Check it out. Okay.
Hey, look, it's kind of like rising up a little bit.
Yep, okay, let's go ahead and mix the salt into the water now and mix.
Hopefully you guys could see it's not at the bottom as much anymore. I think we need more salt.
I think we do too.
Whoa! Look! I feel it. Right there. I think it's safe to say we need a lot of salt to make the egg float.
And now we can finally say that the egg is less dense than the water, or should we say the salt water. And now for the next experiment, we're gonna make our cracked egg spin on our plate.
Wait, did you say cracked egg?
Yep, we gotta crack an egg in half. So I'm just gonna take our little friend here, and hopefully I can crack it. And then let's try. Oh! Did I do good? Did I do good? Let's see. Whoa! Check out that yolk. Yuck. Okay. And next, I'm just going to give our egg a little bit of a rinse. Get it all cleaned up. Good to go. Next, I'm going to dip my half-cracked egg in some water. Just the bottom of it.
You're doing some very strange things.
I'm doing some very experimental things. Alright, I think that's good. And do you think it's gonna stay on the plate or fly off the plate?
It's gonna fly off the plate, Princess Pham.
I think not. Alright, let's give it a go.
It's moving, it's moving.
See, Princess T, I got it to stay. But my goal is to have it stay longer, so let's try.
Whoa!
Check it out! It's like a roller coaster. It goes around and around and around and around.
Oh, I'm getting dizzy looking
Whoa,
at
be
it.
careful!
Oh,
You don't want to get dizzy.
that's super cool.
I know. I honestly thought it might fly off myself, but nope, it didn't.
Oh, there it goes. Who would have known that there's so many cool experiments you could do with eggs?
Yep.
Well, friends, that's the end of today's video.
If you like more science experiments, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe. Bye, Princess Princesses. Bye.
Princess Toy Review.
Hi, Prince and Princesses. It's Princess T.
Hi, Princess Pham.
Today we have a science experiment for you guys.
It's called a DIY balloon science experiment.
For this science experiment, you would need some straws, liquid starch. Be careful when using this. Ask a parent for permission or help. Glitter,
Glue, food coloring, and some bowls.
Step 1.
Okay, so I'm gonna give each of us a bowl here, and we're just gonna empty out one white glue into our bowl.
The whole thing?
Yep, the whole thing.
Okay, so let's go ahead and pour it in here.
Whoa.
Step 2.
Is the fun part. We're gonna add some food coloring into our glue.
There's so many choices. We have different shades of greens. We have yellow, purple, different shades of blue, pink, red, and I'm going with teal.
You're going with teal?
What about you?
I'm gonna have to go with pink.
I thought you were gonna say purple.
I was, but the purple is so dark and I don't want my balloon that dark.
So how many drops?
However much you want. I think I'm just gonna do 2. One here and one here.
I'm gonna do one here. Uh-oh, that was a big drop. Whoopsie. But I'm gonna spice it up by adding in purple. I have no idea how that's gonna end up, but it's an experiment, so we will see. Step 3.
Let's add in our liquid starch.
So we went ahead and poured our liquid starch into this here. And you go first, Princess Pham.
Thank you. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna pour a little at a time, and then I'm going to mix, and I'm gonna add it until it kind of has like a slime consistency. So
Pretty.
I think I'm gonna add a little bit more, and you can get started over there.
All right, let's add some and mix. I wonder how the colors are gonna be.
Whoa!
Uh-oh, it's kind of dark. Uh-oh, whoopsie. Mix. It might end up being like a navy color.
Yeah. It's kind of like the midnight sky.
Oh yeah, it is like the midnight sky.
Ooh, yours
Getting
pretty
kind of
good.
slimy.
Yeah, that's about right.
It's like getting
You're
kind of
working
thick.
there.
All right, gotta mix that in.
Oh, okay. Okay, now it's kind of clumping together. This is what I want. And now I'm just using my hands to work it in. Whoa. Okay, it's definitely getting better, but
do you need
it's
more?
Still quite sticky. Let's try a little more. Thank you.
All right, mine is kind of clumpy. Oh, it's getting there. I'm about to use my hands in just a minute.
Look at
Whoa! Let me help you there. Here.
Whoa.
Grab that.
Thank you,
Making
thank
a mess, Princess Pham. Making a mess. Oh,
Okay. All right. I think it's starting to get more of a solid.
All right, and mine's clumping together. I'm about to use my hands. It's coming off the bowl, which is a good sign. I think it's clumping together just fine. All right. Oh yeah, this is good. It's like we're making slime.
Yep. We pretty much are making our own slime. But it's a balloon.
All right, we got ours to a good consistency. It's like slime. It doesn't stick as much to my fingers, so that's good.
It is very similar to slime.
Yep.
And I say, before we make a balloon, we give it some glitter.
So here we have our glitter options. We have gold, like a white mix of colors here, silver, purple, and blue. What are you gonna go with, Princess Pham?
I think I'm gonna go with the white.
All right, here you go. And I'm gonna go with the gold.
Ooh.
It's like fairy dust. Okay, let's pour this in here.
Uh-oh.
There we go. Oh, looks so magical. And should I mix it?
Yep.
All right, let's mix in this beautiful gold. I might actually need more. Let me get some more. Oh, whoopsie! Too much.
Uh-oh, I'm making a mess over here, but it's okay. All right, so I'm going to sprinkle in some of this white. Oh, I love it. And then we're just going to mix.
All right, so here's the results of mine. It's like nice and pretty. It's blue with some gold. How's yours?
And this is mine. It's pink and glittery.
So pretty.
Thank you. And I'm gonna mix it in just a bit more before I put it onto my straw.
Now it's time for the moment we've all been waiting for. What do we do now, Princess Pham?
All right, so I'm just going to take a little piece to start off with so we can kind of experiment with how much we need. I'm going to add it on one end of my straw. I'm just gonna put it around the tip of it like so. And then we're going to gently blow into the straw. Oh! Did you see that?
Yes!
It was a baby balloon. I'm gonna try again.
A bigger one. So I have my little blob here. Okay, and hold up, hold on. Oh, it's hard to keep it on here and blow. Okay. Whoa, that was super fast.
Okay, I'm gonna add some more and see what happens. Whoa, awesome, Princess T!
Oh, so much fun!
Okay, so I made it a bit bigger here. And I'm going to put it around the top again. All right, and then we're gonna blow gently.
Oh!
That was
like
a
a baby
gentle
one. Okay, I got my blob. Oh! Wrong side! Whoopsie! Don't do that at home. Okay. Oh, it's like a big giant. It's like a big giant bubble gum. You got this. Okay, let's try it again.
Awesome.
Oh, I popped it with my hand.
Okay, I think I did get a bigger bubble using more, so I'm just gonna add a little more.
I wonder what would happen if I used the whole blob.
Whoa!
Yep.
That means you may
All
have
right.
a really...
Okay, let's see.
Whoa! That was a good one. Okay, I'm gonna try mine again too.
Whoa! Wait, Princess Pham, stick your straw in this one too. What if we blew at the same time?
Oh, I wonder if we're gonna get one big one or two small ones.
Alright, you might have to help me hold it with one hand.
Okay,
Alright,
I'll
in case
just
it like leaks over.
hold half.
Okay,
sticks.
alright. Oh, wrong side. Okay, and.
I think you just popped my bubble.
Let's try it again. Since we're experimenting, what if we like put it in the bowl? All right, Princess Pham, you gonna help me?
How about you do that when I do my own?
Let's see.
Whoa! That's actually a really good idea. Okay, I'm gonna try to make a pink one now. Okay, ready? Whoa! I ran out of air before it even popped!
Let's see if you can make a bigger one.
Okay.
Okay.
Are you challenging me right
Yep,
now?
from the bowl though.
Okay, so let me put mine back into the bowl.
Just flatten it out.
Okay.
Okay. When you're ready.
And insert and blow.
Oh my goodness.
Did that make me the winner?
Yep, that does make you the winner.
I really like this bowl idea. That was genius.
I have an idea. What if I put this blob on the table? Alright, let's see what happens.
Oh! Okay, my turn. And oh
I
no!
think you have to like angle it that way, maybe. That was a small one. You got this. Oh, okay, one time.
Whoa! I really like that one, but I think my favorite is the one in the bowl.
I think so too. I have an idea. What if we combine the blue and the pink and try to blow like a giant one?
Ooh, that's a good idea.
Maybe we'll put it on the table.
And guess what else?
What?
If we mix enough, it'll be my favorite color.
Oh yeah, just mix it up.
Okay, let's mix.
Maybe leave it kind of half mixed.
Okay, I'm just gonna. This is the quickest I've ever mixed in my life. Ooh, look! I'm starting to see the purple color. How pretty. Okay, I'm just gonna mix a little more, and then we're gonna put it on the table.
Fluff it up.
Right. I think that looks pretty good.
Okay. All right, let's ball it up. Okay, ready? And.
Whoa! Let's try it again.
Okay, let me do that. Okay.
Whoa! Did you see that? That was
Super
awesome.
cool. How about we do it one more time?
Okay. All right. I say you put it back into a little ball.
Okay, and let's try it again. That was so cool. That was 2 balloons.
Yeah, like 2 grapes.
I know. We
Awesome.
did really good. Okay, friends, that was super fun. I hope you had a lot of fun too. Make sure if you try it to ask the parent for permission or for help. But that's the end of today's video.
If you like more science experiments, give the video a big thumbs up and subscribe.
Bye, Prince and Princesses!
Bye.